Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick video on how to back up your course. And if you're listening to this, it's probably because I recently told you that your courses were going to be deleted, and so this is all you need to do to make sure that you're set for that. So the first thing you want to do is go to your course, and I'm just going to go to my fall class here, and you want to click on the Manage tab, and click on Backup and Restore, and then click on here to create a new backup. And then boom, you're done. So that really, what did that take? 30 seconds? Excuse me. So that's all you need to do to regularly back up your course. And this backup lives on the Angel server, and it'll live there for 30 days, and then it'll go away. Um, and so 30 days obviously isn't going to be helpful if you want to use this course later on. So we need to do something else. You're going to get an email from Angel saying that your course has been backed up. And depending on the time of day and how many people are backing up, etc., it might take 5 minutes, it might take an hour. But once you get that email, be sure to save it because it'll tell us exactly what time your course was backed up, and that can be useful information later on. And after you get that, you can come back to your Angel Classroom and click on View Your Backup Job in the Export Console. So you can see that the one that I just did is queued. It's waiting to back up, and one I did a little while ago is already here. So I'm going to use this one as my example. So this is my backup file. This is the whole content of my course, including student data, discussion boards, grade book, everything is there in this zip file. So if I click on that zip file, um, I the zip file downloads. You can see my course is pretty huge, rapidly approaching the 300 megabyte maximum limit that I have there. And so it's going to take a little while to download. And obviously I'm not going to sit on this video for all that time, but I just wanted to show you that is how to download the backup of your course and have that living on your computer instead of out there on the Angel server. Again, super simple. The next step is to get an actual export of your class that you could use to import later on. So go to the export file type and click on, and we're all still in the same area, and if you're coming back to do this later, if it's just Manage tab, Export Console. It's thinking about it. Oh, I think it's still downloading this. I've discovered that it doesn't like to download and go to the export console at the same time. So we're going to click on the Angel format, and then it tells us what is it that we want to export. Well, we don't want, you want to look through this and make sure that it's just the stuff you want. You want your lessons, maybe you want your team settings, you got your syllabus. So what it's not exporting is your student data, it's not exporting your discussion board posts and everything. It's just exporting the content of your course. And this is what you'd want to use later to teach the class again. So I'm going to click on next, that's exactly what I want. And it's queuing this and just like it did with the backup. And in a little while, it'll send me an email and tell me that queue is done. Or I can also watch it here and refresh periodically to see how far along it's gone. But you don't have to sit here and watch. Again, you could just download it later on. Once you've got that file, when you have a new course, you go again to the Manage tab and to your Import console and import your content package, and then just browse for that file and boom, bring it on in, and that's all you need to do. So the key here is that you want to have a saved version of your class, an export version for using later, and your backup version to have all your student data and everything. So those are the two things that you want to have in order to be safe before we delete your class forever, and that happens every quarter. We'll delete the previous 2 quarters before. So in the spring, we're deleting fall. In the summer, we're deleting winter. In the fall, we'll be deleting spring.